When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm bleeding on my... I had a dream. I got everything I wanted, not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden